Okay. Hi, Mr. Uni. I'm Bella, and this is my mom, and we're going to be solving a problem on binomial probability. So we have the problem written down right here, and it's Bella tosses a die 4 times. What is the probability that she will toss exactly 2 3s? Probability of tossing at least 3 even numbers and at most 2 2s. So I'm going to give her the guiding formula so that, but she's going to solve the majority of the problem. So for problems, for the first one, for what is the probability that she will toss exactly 2 3s, this is an exact problem and not an at most or at least problem. So we use this formula, NCR times the probability of it happening times the probability of it not happening. So NCR is a way to calculate the amount of combos that we're accounting for in our problem. So in NCR, the equation is factorial of n over factorial of r times n minus r factorial of that. Okay. So in this situation, n is equal to the number of times, in this case, the number of times we're rolling the die. So how many times is that? 4. Okay, so n is equal to 4, and r is equal to what we want, is the number of outcomes that we want. So in this case, we said she will toss exactly 2 3s. So r will be equal to 2 in this case. And factorial, this exclamation point, means that number 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 2 times 1, or 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you can use this through calculator, but we're going to do it manually. So first we have that written down. And I'm going to put a picture on the side of the video so it's easier to see. So first we do 4 is equal to our n. So what would we do for our n factorial?
4 factorial.
Yeah, so it would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 24, yeah. And then we put this over r factorial, so what is r?
2.
And then what's 2 times 1?
2.
Okay, so then we do n minus r, so what is n?
N is 4.
So what's 4 minus 2?
2.
So 2 factorial, and then we solve this out. So 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, so that just stays as 2. So it would be 2 times 2, which is equal to
4.
And 24 divided by 4, which is equal to 6. Okay, so we have 6 possible outcomes. So now we do the probability of this happening. So the probability is, we have a die that we're rolling. Oh, darn it.
Wait, 9 times 3 is
No.
27 times 2.
No, that's a 4. I did this wrong.